Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody's trying to do something similar to this, and they can't get it to blend. Well, I think I know the problem. And I've always found, and they told me the couple of tools they use, and they use the twirl tool on a straight line. And whenever I do anything like this, I set it pretty, not real big, but set your rate real low, like 16 or 15. Then click on your item and just see it'll go real slow. So you can go back and forth and not have it work. But then they go to the artistic media tool and click on the pen and then go make it a little thicker. And then they make a duplicate of that and move it down and then select them all, and they open up the effects and blend docker, and there's nothing to blend. They can't get this line to blend. Well, they can't get this line to blend because it's an artistic media and you have to break it apart. And a lot of times just clicking on it will not do it. A lot of times you have to select the whole thing, go to Object, Artistic Media Part, and take that line away. There's an invisible line that if you right click and make it a line, it'll go back to a line. So now if we Control D and make a duplicate, hold down the Control button, and I'm going to not blend it as many times this time, so there'd be some space behind it. And you get a wavy line and it blended. Now, the other question he had, he was trying to fill in the background with gray or a different color. And if you don't, really watch these points, get your freehand tool and go to that node. I don't want the freehand tool, I want the 2-point line. And go from that node to that node, and then go from that node to that node. And then instead of going through here and taking gray and filling in each individual line, all we have to do is take a rectangle, put it around our object and fill it with gray. I'm going to go ahead and nudge that out of the way pretty far, take my smart fill again and fill that space with gray, and just nudge it back and then go up to Object, Order, Back of Page. And now it looks like you filled in every line. Now, by the time it took me to do that, you could have maybe smart filled every line in, but maybe not. Maybe if there were quite a bit more. So if you ever can't get your artistic media tool to blend, that's the problem. Anyway, I hope that helped him a little bit. Thank you for watching.